Here is the 2012 to 2016 Honda CR-V. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Max Automotive for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Toronto, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and open the driver's side door. Right by where the driver's left side foot would go, that's the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of that Honda emblem over there. On the left side, put one finger in there and then push it right. Like that. Push it right and lift up the hood at the same time. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod. Put it in that slot in the hood with the arrow marking it. Right there. Yeah, put it in there. Let it go. And now the hood is secure in place. It's not going anywhere. Now that right there, that's the main fuse box cover. We need to press those two clips, one in the front, one in the back, and get the cover off. Underneath the cover you'll find the spare fuses and the fuse puller. Those are the spare fuses right there, and that white fuse puller, that's the only tool we need for this job, so get it out. This fuse puller gets onto the fuse, we squish it, and then we use it to pull the fuses out. Now inside the car, bend down, and that's where you'll find the fuse diagram for the secondary fuse panel. And let's pause away for a second. There are two fuses we need to focus on. Those two fuses, they connect to the corresponding power outlets. So let's just focus over here. This job is very likely about just swapping the fuses. Your fuse is very likely what the issue is. So we'll take your original fuse out, see if it's bad. If it's bad, we'll replace it with the 20 amp spare fuse, the good fuse. Now how do you check if the fuse is good or not? When you get the fuse out, look at the center part. See, in this case the center part is not broken, so it's a good fuse. If the center part is broken, then it's a bad fuse. Now in my case, my fuses are good. So what happens is when I pull this fuse out, is the power outlet will stop working. See? And now when I put the fuse back in, the power outlet will come back to life. It's simple as that. I'm going to show you this for the other power outlet now, like the other fuse. And that's all what this job is all about. It's just about pulling the fuses out, checking if the fuse is bad. If it's bad, replacing the 20 amp fuse with 20 amp fuses, and that should solve the problem. Again, be sure to put the 20 amp fuse only. Do not put any of the random amperage rating fuse. When you're done, don't forget to put that fuse puller back in. And let's put the cover back on. Align it like that. Press it down to lock it in place. And that's it. Hope you found the video useful. In order to close the hood, first push it. Get the load off the prop rod. Get it out of the slot over there. Put the prop rod back in its place. Secure it. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found the video useful.